Because we are grooming Sheila with her friends to lead this country. I told you, to lead. If you saw Sheila on TV that she's leading a Uganda delegation to Germany. She's the executive director, Kampala Capital City Authority. She's the president of Uganda. How would you feel? That's our daughter.
Gonza musindika ya sente eri abagalwa abo mu nyaffe Uganda ng'okwisa enkola ya tap send enkola eno nnungi ate nga yeesigika. Kati genda mu simu yo odownloadinge app ya tap send TAP olwono nawe weeyunga ku mpeereza ennungi mu kusindikira abagalwa abo. Kozesa promo code Kasuku nga toyawuddeemu. Abali mu UK ojja kufuna pound 10, Europe ojja kufuna euros 10, USA ojja kufuna dollars 10, Canada ojja kufuna dollars 10. Ate nga kino kisinzira mu nsimu obooli. Kati gwe abadde atawaanyizibwa mu kusindika ensimbi eri abagalwa abo. Okumanya ebisingako okufuna app ya tap send ebifudde byangu nga tukusindikira abagalwa baffe ensimbi mu bwangu ddala.
So welcome to yet another edition of Kasuku Live. Olunaku olwaleero, Patrick Kanyomozi is seated where I work from. Fitina ebe muluma. To imagine that that's my seat. Nina kyenjagala okubuuza Patrick kitono nnyo, ndowooza ye story gye mantandika nayo. Wiiki ewedde Nsereko katajjeko principal omutwe aguteeke wali, ate buli eyagezaako okumuleekaanira Waiswa bwe yavaayo okusabumitinga ng'omwogezi w'ekibiina, Nsereko n'agamba esirevo yange muweereza wa full figure. Nema nonno nti Nsereko akutte wansi ne waggulu naye bitandikira wa. Nina live gye nalaba nga Ssegirinya ayogera n'Ensereko. Naye annaye oba ebintu ebimu mbyogere sajjange Ssegirinya naye anyway nalaba live nga oli ayogera n'Ensereko. Kati bw'ayogera n'Ensereko, Nsereko n'alaga nti agenda tandika campaign. Nagenda okuddamu olaba Bobby we yali kusimba ng'ensonga azoogeddeko.
Namaso Honorable Kyagulanyi Sentamu. Honorable
Sewa
njagala ku nsonga gyenna esembayo y'ensonga y'omubaka Muhammad Ssegirinya. Mwami Ssegirinya omubaka w'Ekawemera obulamu bwatandika okukyankalana wamu ne munne mwami Ssewanyana. Naye birabisa okuba mwami Nsereko omubaka wa Kampala atandise n'okuyisa bulaba social media, atandise n'okuyisa kenandiyisa akabbo. Bannange tudduukirire. Famire ya Ssegirinya nayo yavaayo n'eraga ng'egamba bannange tewaliwo kuyambibwa paalamenti n'ekibiina tetulaba kyo kivaayo. Njagala teeke ku mubaka wo wa paalamenti era omukulembeze w'abalonzi bo ab'Ekawempe obulamu bwe ng'ekibiina ky'NUP.
Okusooka nkubuuze, Nsereko wa NUP
Nedda.
Abaganda bagamba singa maama w'omwana okumwagala bayagala mmulya. Kolanya yazisaba Ssegirinya mbaka wa parliament. Nsereko y'omu ku baka ba parliament abasinga obugundivu. Yakakyogerako emirundi emeka mu parliament. Kyogamba ye lawyer mulamba. Kyogamba ye tamanyi nti mbaka wa parliament awane health insurance. Era nti kyangu nnyo era kya kitiibwa ye nga mbaka wa parliament ogenda ku floor ya parliament n'ateeka speaker ku nninga tulire kuba ssente zibaawo era zaayisibwa kulabirira aba MP. Naye n'agenda ku social media aweebule munne amukakanye. So njagala bannayuganda beetegereza abantu bwe batyo. Kyannaku nnyo nti n'omuntu waali mu buzibu tetumuwa kitiibwa. Ssegirinya mulwadde sijja munenya abantu bonna bamukozesa ensobi. Weewaawo njogera naye era namutegeezeza nti ekyo kyamufaananyiza kyamukakanyiza era kimuweebuula kikyamu. Naye ate omuntu yakimukozeseza nga ye mulamu yasinga obukyamu. Jjukira nti Nsereko yayisa n'etteeka erigezaako okugaana bannayuganda okukozesa social media. N'ate yagenze ku social media. Ffe abalengera ewala tulowooza nti yagenzeeyo anoonya wamutwalira wa Museveni agambe kakati tuyisiza akabbo kaleme kuwera, agambe afune ensonga mutwale wa Anita Amongo oba mutwale wa Museveni oba mutwale wa Muhoozi. Abo mala agambe Bobi Wine yaganye okulabirira ombaka we wa parliament, kakati Museveni amusasulidde sente. Kwegamba ayelinga preparing abantu baleme kuyomba bagambe munnangoli ba Museveni amusasulidde sente. Ssegirinnya mbaka wa parliament ali entitled ayina health insurance. Kisoka yes ne Ssegirinnya ayinamu ensobize ng'omuntu naye tetunenya muntu ali mu buzibu kati. Naye yali ayina okuinforminga parliament ng'agenda okutambula kyatakola, yayina okuinforminga leader of opposition kuba tulinayo bukulembeze mu parliament kyatakola, oba okuinforminga ffe bakulembeze banne oba ekibiina ekimutwala kyatakola. Ate era twayogedde ne famire ya Ssegirinnya. Famire ya Ssegirinnya teragirangako nsereko kuwebula mwana waabwe na kumuteeka ku social media nti kumuyisiza kabbo. Agenda kuŋŋanya sente meka mu bannayuganda abaavu abasasula omusolo, ng'omusolo ogwo gye guli ku parliament, sente zo zirina okujjanjaba muganda waffe oyo. So ekyo twakirabye nga kugezaako kwegamba Nsirika anoonya waakubira majja
ku mulwadde
munnanga ate omanyi ba politician
ku mulwadde kwayagala okukubira
ngezaako kubeera decent, naye ozoolaba abantu nga banyaganiza abafu naye ate abalamu. Anyway, eyo sigenda kulwayo. Nsaasira muganda wange Ssegirinnya, tuwuliziganya naye. Olunaku lwaleero Ssegirinnya ali Holland, chapter yaffe yeeyo, obukulembeze bwaffe bweyo bwe bumuyina be bamulabirira. Okay? Ate leader ensobi ze yakoze of course yaziterezeza ng'omuntu, kuba ye nga bwe tugambye omulwadde olumu obulwadde bumuluma nga buli amukubira essimu tamanya na kumanya nti amutadde ku social media. Ofuna bulungi, naye leader of opposition gwe mulimu gwe kikyamunondesaganya ne leader of opposition, era ntegeeza tibali mu pressuringa parliament newankubadde teyagenda mu process ntuufu, yalina okugenda communicating ne parliament, naye bwe yali mulwadde yagenda mangu nnyo. So bali mu kuwakinga backwards making sure ti Honorable Ssegirinnya tebamuteeka mu bya kumuyisiza kabbo. Ogenda kuyisiza abantu bameka akabbo? Ssegirinnya mubaka wa parliament, ordinary citizen. So muganda waffe mumuwe ekitiibwa, temumukozesa nsobi. Bw'oba oli mubaka wa parliament genda oyogere mu kitiibwa, okolenga bw'osuubira okukola. Ensi eraba, omanyi munnange ba politician abamu beerabira nti abantu baffe bategeera, they can see through the lies. Yes sebo.
Kati Bobi bazoogerako Nsereko n'amukomerawo n'amuwa kati awo Nsereko ndowooza Honorable Nsereko yagaa kati wano nino fiirawo sita, n'akuba kati abalala entalo we baaluyingiriramu.
Kuba omu yatuuse n'okugamba nti Kato Lubwama abadde ayagala kukola Ssegirinnya nga bwe yabeererawo Kato Lubwama nenga kwega eriyo n'ekyo bekyaluma nze okubeererawo muganda wange Kato. Kwega abaali bazze kuziika kakasa nti ddala obeererawo munno nemmanya nti efitina enge n'enkuubiiru zitambulira mitima gyabwe. Era Sseruganda omu yayimiridde n'agamba nti Nsereko lwaki ayagala ayambe Ssegirinnya nti Ssegirinnya agende ewa Museveni. Omusajja afa. Mwayi Museveni bw'aba ayagala Ssegirinnya amanye omusanga, kuba maama wa Ssegirinnya yakyogera lwatu nti bwenaaremu asobola omugandetera ku mutabani wongoleki mulabeko. Era history alaga bulungi nti n'abaami abo aboogera ebigambo ebifaananako bwe bityo bagendanga kulwala eza Mwami Museveni ne bamuyimbira n'eza mukyala w'entungamu. Teyamalanga kukubira nze n'abagandetera Bobi Wine ajja nnyimbira. Era ne bwe basinkananga ssale eyo gye baaliranga ebintu byabwe ffe tetwalingayo, beetwalanga bokka. Nze nayawukana dda n'omukulu oyo mu 2013 ebyange biriko bwino paka bwe baatulopa mu Supreme Court. Naye nze simuweebuula okufaananako abalala, nzisa ekitiibwa mu bigambo byange byenjogera ne gwe mba mbituusaako. Naye kati wano wensi we twagala era baani omulimba. Omu n'agamba nti Nuupu chapter eyaffe eri eyo y'emujjanjaba, ate n'ogamba nategedde eggulo. Who is fooling who? olumu okusirika kyekimu ku byawula omuntu abadde alowoozebwa nti ategeera kuba tategeera. Bw'osirikamu bw'oti ekintu n'ofumiitiriza baga nti waakiri baleke kumanya kyotegeera. Naye bw'ovaayo n'ogamba oli avaayo ate anayagala omwana okusinga maama we. Twali tulabyeko maama w'omwana akuba omwana n'ayagala okumutta, ate ensi neevaayo nedduukirira omwana. Naye kino si kyetwogerako. Mu bulwadde buli omu gy'oli akudduukiridde yaba munno, kuba oyinza okulinda banno n'otabalaba. Era omukulu yagambye omu Seruganda nti lwaki tetugenda ne tukyogerera mu Parliament. Nabadde siriiwo at that immediate time, naye bwe mba mpeereddwa omukisa era nakyo nsobola okukyogeramu, kuba naye yalingayo ng'abalala balwadde, wabula ekiteeso ebimu ku bitono byeyawaayo ko kyali kyakuggulawo bivulu bye. Munsibidde ebivulu, sipiika mbadde njagala baggulewo ebivulu byange. Kakati gye kuba Hansard weeri jayo yali ateesezza ki mundi naayinza ekyokulya ye ng'omuntu, naye eriyo abalala abatali. Kakati kino nkiddamu, nze okuyamba omuntu yenna nyamba Munnayuganda, oba oli Musiraamu, oba oli Mukatuliki, oba oli Mupolisa, oba oli Muse, tolina kyosinza, oba oli Muganda, oba oli Mutoolo, oba oli Mukiga, oba oli WNRM, oba WFDC, oba wa DP, oba tolina kibiina. When you come to me seeking help, my role is to first help you, ebirala tubigonjoola lulala. Nsaba bannamawulire mwekwate musituke mugende mulabe Sseggirinya. Abantu bakirabanga ng'ekyolubalaato. Nze kyasinga okunzijjayo nkubire Muhammad namuga waŋŋambe Kenya nti ojja kubimala. Kati ate bituuseewa. Kakati obawulira abamu nti twagale tujja musasulira, mubateeke kaaga, muddeeyo mubagaye tuweerezeeko kuze waakaweereza. Ojja kwekanga teziriiwo. Naye nga nabo bagamba nti tuwandiikira Parliament ate ddeyo mu medical board. Are you trying to say you're making Parliament do an illegality? Because can the medical board retrospectively approve your application? Meaning you want to do an illegality by backdating application? Wetabye mwaba abakola ebive byogamba nti byolwanisa okuvaawo. Kakati nzira kwekyo basebo ne banyabo. Sseggirinya bamusibako maaso ga mbuzi kumuliisa ki ngo.
Unfortunately ne Sseggirinya leero mutwaliramu, kuba ye Sseggirinya kye yali ayagala buyambi. Lwakuba Nsereko kye yakola kiri kimu, yagamba nti alina ebbaluwa eziraga nti omusajja yayogera ne Parliament n'abategeeza nti agenda. Neza Nupu yagamba mbu nabo yabagamba empapula yaziina. Ezo zo saazirabako saazimanyako. So yeyo n'embeera eri awo bannange. Embeera yankuwankuwa. Kati olunaku olw'eggolo nabadde ne Honorable Nsereko musizi fire wali. Nangamba Kasuku olaba Katoba afunye abantu. Ate principal eggolo yadde wa Zexi ekivulu ne kibasala. Muganzi kyo kivulo basala. Badde sikimanyiiko naye. Nagamba kati yangambye mboba yabawe ennaku 5 nga basasudde bbiiru. Ekyannomye mu byonna yangambye Sseggirinya sayidi eno emu skin yavuddeko. Mwalina skin cancer nga bw'obeera n'ebbwa bw'ogwa ne wapiiringa mu sayidi eno emu. Naye ne ŋŋamba waayo njagala kusooka kulaba Uncle Segi njagala kusooka kulabako. Naye ekikulu kya byonna nze kye ndowooza si kulwanira mulwadde. Ekikulu kya byonna kulaba nti omulwadde awona adde engulu. Kati awo ebigambo ne bitandika. Era Segi twamulabirawo, Segi yalya, Segi mbega. Kati musajja ati omulwadde naye embeera yeeyo ffe bwe twagalira ddala awo ddala. Naye Sseggirinya njagala nkusabira otereere owone okomewo. Guys, are we going now?
Not just yet. It's like 3 minutes.
Like 3 minutes. Yeah. But Faiza, there is a way you're looking good.
Really?
Your chest grew bigger, your hips wider. Behind is shaping out. The intention is not that. Obuzibu bw'alina obuzibu ono bw'ayina tamanyi the intention is what okitegeera kyeggamba but the intention is not that. I'm just being nice. So, Faiza is my girl.
That's you, you're always nice.
I'm always complimenting her. I'm telling her, like, you know, but Faiza, you're looking great.
Thank you.
I know. Naye nakoraira esira
I didn't see you yesterday.
at Blankets and Wine. Did you invite me?
I thought you were going to be in Randstad.
Keep thinking. One day you won't think anymore. You will see when I've been taken and you won't think anymore. Nze kugambye. Naye lero Faiza, our big story today is Sweet She. Never know Sweet She wamulabye. Sheira. Wamulabye? Lwakwa Sweet She alina kye yakoze. Yavuddeyo n'atunyonnyola n'agamba bwino omulala agenda kwongera omuleeta. Naye Sweet She wamulabye? Aina awo kati aina kagaapu wali. Obeera ano nga you can see. Nemanya. Emundu. N'ataddeko omubiri, she looks good. Aina ne kapini wano kugondi kukundi. Tugenda kuba tuwogera Sweet She kasooke mmalekere taata we. The dreams and aspirations he had for the daughter. Then tulyoke tukomewo. Nze saagala kusigenda kuzannya nnyo blame game, njagala solution. Tugenda tayiza ekintu ekyo. I'm going to KFM to speak English. Don't move an inch.
Years 30.
Tewali gwe balabirako.
Tebalina gwe balabirako.
Ne bazadde baabwe nabo tebakyalabirwako.
No, balolo moddo baabwe Desire Luzinda. Zali. Lolo moddo. Mbulaba.
Nalaba obwana obuto bubbebi. Mu myaka 5 enanga bukoze pose ngeza.
Can you imagine? Amawulire geggwanga agalabwa buli muntu ne muwambu ayina ekitone. There's nothing in it. Kati omwana akuzaalaba Luzinda akula ye role model we.
Don't let the weather rain on your car. With a simple push of a button, our automatic car umbrella swiftly deploys, shielding your vehicle from rain and harsh sunlight. For those who prefer a hands-on approach, our semi-automatic option allows for quicker and effortless setup. No more rushing to close the car windows or worrying about damages. Embrace convenience and protection with our car umbrella, ensuring a dry and comfortable journey every time. Upgrade your car defense today.
This is how I look like in real life. He's like, hey, I'm so happy to see. I'm a huge fan of Coco. I was like, Coco has introduced me to so many nice people. Has introduced me to his people that also love me. Like, it's so nice. But speaking of Coco, we have him in studio this morning. Coco, how are you doing?
Good morning, Faiza. How you doing? Yep.
Omukwano guli wano.
Yeah, Faiza is my girl. Yeah, me and her, you know, and you know the most important thing about Faiza is her mom loves me so much. And and her brother.
And yesterday I didn't see Albert, so you are fine.
No, Kati, that Albert boy is a fool. He's a certified fool.
Remember he went to DRC to work.
DRC.
Yeah, but I mean, when you go to work, make sure as you return, you show the fruits of what you were doing. Faiza ayagala chimu. Sente. Tayagala kulira chilala chonna ayagala sente. So, and it's everywhere.
Not prayers.
Yeah, ladies love money everywhere. Yeah, so otherwise, how are you guys?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm not bad
Mr.
today.
Kasuku, you look happy. What's going on?
It's a Monday. It's a Monday. I really had a good Monday. I had my Jaja's birthday yesterday. I'm happy. I saw her. She was happy, and
how old is she?
She's 71 now.
Oh wow!
Yeah, so I caught up with so many people, so many family members. I know it's always good, you know. Yeah, kumachamba uli denga mwogera about was it this guy abataga relationships? This guy who called in saying like the woman moved with the key.
With the house keys.
And in
Now
through her,
the house is closed.
So but there's that part. Like a woman is supposed to tell you when she's going somewhere. Like to ask for permission.
I was also shocked.
That's what he says. She has to ask for like.
Okay, it's supposed to inform. It's supposed to inform the guy.
I think what brought the problem was the key.
When
I hadn't, they have to ask you for permission.
Yeah. No, abasajja gye bali. Yeah. Abasajja nkola NRM.
Yeah.
Nkola NRM.
Back then you had to ask for
permission.
The way to make
it. Anyway, now so many things happened over the show. Zex Bilanji had a show.
It wasn't advertised.
Yeah.
What happened?
I heard Zex has a madam. They are so in love, and
she has money.
She has money. Even Zex has money. But so I hear because the bampa could send for my channel to advertise. And I did that part. Though it was a bit, it was rushed. I think they thought of it and they're like, now that we have the money, let's do this and get it out of the way. And things didn't quite go.
Did they make money?
I know they didn't. Because they told me, Bobby Wine told him, one, the song you're trying to advertise is mine. And we've not given it enough time. So it doesn't really cut the right image. It doesn't cut the right image. And what? So imukuye bakola baga nti bageto yuti baleke bajje banyumirwe, then we can plan better next time. And that's exactly what happened.
Yeah, because he's a good artist.
He's a good artist.
Yeah.
He's, but I think sometimes Eminem yagamba, lose yourself in the music the moment you own it.
You better let it.
We only need one shot. Do not miss the chance to flow, because opportunity comes once in a lifetime.
You better.
I
told us that Pfizer now love has increased.
Pfizer, you're stricken.
I'm pleasantly surprised
that I can rap.
What?
Daniel Isaac.
There's Dr. Dre. 50 Cent. We use Jay-Z. I don't have time. Yeah, well, time could be around, but I mean, I really don't want you you know what I'm saying. So yeah, so that's like what's up. So that show happened at Lugogo there, and then of course Blankets and Wines happened. But how is the attendance of that thing?
Blankets is always attended.
People come, eh?
But I thought yesterday's edition, obviously people are not doing very well. But I think the Christmas edition will
well. So the next one is for Christmas.
Usually the first and the last edition.
I was about to say the same thing. I think that this edition didn't have as huge of a turn up as it normally does. But I think also from the performances that were not bad, but
the artist himself was a weak.
There were good performances.
Artist,
really, Brian.
He is what the man sang. All the music he sang was from other people except his one song.
Yeah.
Why aren't you truthful, you people?
Be honest. Honest.
The man has only one song.
But I actually even barely knew him until they played me his song, and I'm like, oh, this is the guy. And by the way, speaking about the truth,
Big Trill and Munji mounted an awesome performance.
Better than
So tell the truth. Tell the truth to promoters and events managers to bring the main act early.
Yeah.
Yes.
You can't bring the person at midnight when police is chasing the fans.
Yeah. I
So
agree.
stop here lying to people.
Brian, now you don't give me tickets anymore. You gave me one sajja naye you wanyigira ddala. December make it I come. Yes. Now I saw ladies, babes attend those things.
No, I would like to applaud ladies for dressing well at blankets.
This time round.
Everybody was like, by
the way, speaking about dressing, Nadi, I was at someone's wedding. Blaze, I have my guy, he's called Blaze Amanya, he's a lawyer. He married Bob Cabonero's daughter, I think, or something like that. Katwari we were at the wedding. Now we are speaking Uncle Bob, Jim, Uncle Jim Mohes. I'm giving you fatter cows. I'm giving you 20 million. You know those things,
small things.
So kati njagala tumirako waliwo group y'abawala yatulie mabega mukasonda wali. Mumbuzabuuzako kasukuba naye we love you biki atochiddangamu. Don't do it again.
Ate.
Nadi ndabo obwana obusheshe with hair man. You know those final the guys coming to talk to me, they're like, I see you on your YouTube with Brian and Faiza. I like that chick Faiza. Newavayo mwana w'ennansa namasuba. Emabega wali obani yali abayise. Bane kasuku tukwagala nnyo bane tukulaba ku sipa nagamba abaana tochiddangamu era nga biri mabega eri era bizina bakuba oluyima ne bizina bagera ne bakuba weninaji oyina magic baleta abeka bands that played tewaliwo bya DJ bane bajjemu engato balanso zina bibend over namagamba bannange temumanyi leave me what got me, leave me. Oshegera. Please. Simwebye before. Omuntu we tunulira abantu betulimu. Ladies and gentlemen. Bonsi sinkana nga abantu weni fulumya luzungu. Tota watandika kulaba ku spark ate banyo ku cafe. I say I watch YouTube. You know those things. Omukazi najja nakakasukundera mu kitezi eyo. Kwagala nnyo namugamba kale bye. Nentumuleri. We appreciate, thanks for the love. Mpubirako katini. Nani n'abaana b'abagagga. Ebyokunywa bijja kasiku you want a shot of Hennessy?
You want a shot?
Because
you want
omwana nanjigiriza Hennessy be bamunywa. Otekako something warm nobo mwanyi.
Really?
Yes.
That's how they do it.
Kumala gamunywa flat. Yes. Malo katuliko gamanyi abaana bali eri I was with you on YouTube. I'm from London. I came for my cousin's wedding and mwana we namasuba nanjika. Banne nali nfudde. Akawala kalungi nyumya nako mpulira London ndabe like you abana tebasaga izo kabe you want to come and visit us? Like you know
Ababana, they have so much money. Kesuku, you make me laugh. Can we go to like Bali?
What?
Zebembera mu bantu aba balina sente saagala kwetabula
basole balinde
ate balwakubantu bano baali wonze abo sikuddamu oyinza okwogera ebigambo nga nkutunulidde nti naye nga sikuddamu bwembeera awali abantu abagagga sogera yogera na buli omu Faiza, you can find me somewhere nombuuza ne nkutunuulira and you get shocked
because you don't want to
I don't want to mix
levels
I don't
Mugaga might be afraid that you're talking to champion Ogodo
Luzira oliwe Luzira atongamba nino mwana asula kololo Prince Charles Drive
Elizabeth
olano ku Prince Charles Drive there's a guy there's some fan of mine yajja abere on States, so he's like Kasuku come I want to see you bichi kati ngandagira Prince Charles Drive maybe a pin sibitegera nnyo like I turn off my location services.
Yes.
So the guy sends me a pin mbula kati be ajira nangamba you get Prince Charles Drive, call me kanemukubira nanganda are there border guys that bring you here waliwo apartment mpanvu based ziri oku Prince Charles Drive bobo yingi emotoka yo beba sinnamu togendayo. The cafe is steep like this.
It's very steep.
Each floor has its own swimming pool.
Really?
Each floor has its own swimming pool. No Prince Charles Drive. Each floor has its own swimming pool. kyenkunyonnyola. So I reached the guy's house. The guy is like, hi, era kyannuma kyali kimu. I was like, I wish I was with my madam.
Why?
You know, kola ebintu ebitiisa abakazi babatambuliza mu batiisa buli kiseera.
Madam yandigambye
n'atuuka waawo n'alaba eyo embeera
kuzanyirako.
Otuula omukutte ku mukono oti tapasuka n'okufuka takkirizibwa kugenda kufuka ayinza obbulira mu toyi alabe otegeera.
These are my friends.
But I was there. Man, guy,
This is your circle.
like you, when you're up there, you can see the whole of Kampala.
Oh yes.
Otegeera kati mfubutukeeyo. Each floor has its own pool.
Every time I go to Prince Charles Drive, I go there there's a restaurant near some apartments. It's
17 apartments.
Yes.
Yeah.
There's a restaurant up there. It's a really, really nice restaurant. But you definitely can see like a whole
next
view
to the ambassador.
Yeah, you can see the whole view of Kampala. Like it has an amazing view.
Ambassador what?
Well, America. Next to the residence of the ambassador.
Hey, the American ambassador stays that side.
So that's
just before 17
apartment.
Eri consular bichi. In Zambia.
In Zambia, your office.
Hey, office.
I think she stays. Do they keep changing their homes?
No, that's the official
permanent
residence.
No, yagenzi.
Agenda.
Now, what are your sweet she?
Who is sweet she?
Sheila. Did you see?
Yeah, I watched the video.
There's that thing, Faiza. I think you should try it out with your boyfriend one day.
Which one?
That thing where like you're bathing together and you're. But my belly doesn't favor certain things.
No,
some of those things, of course. I was one of the people who were asking, like, why do people record themselves? When they are in those.
Why?
No, so that you
showering
see.
is sexy, you guys.
Yes.
Yeah, showering is sexy.
Like when you're watching,
why are you
you'll be like in a movie. You'll be like in a movie. You'll be like in a movie.
Africans, you're the most immoral people in the world.
Yes.
But you like pretending.
They
That's
pretend.
But why do you record?
Why are you keeping those things in your phone?
What is my phone?
Well, knowing that that means that you know, because the day you record, the day you record anything that is nude or whatever, which is okay if that's okay with you, like, but no, you run that risk. You run the potential risk of that stuff.
But one thing,
Faiza, let me ask you.
So when you record it, make sure
let
you're
me
okay
ask you,
with
Faiza,
it.
when you get into a long distance relationship, what will
don't
you
you
be
send
doing?
like your boyfriend some nudes?
You want to have phone sex?
You don't do long distance.
Alimba.
Okay, but we want to thank from what I saw, she has been able to maintain her katabudde. One, she shaves.
She waxes.
Waxing. She waxes well. You don't see more hair around her body.
What did you call it?
More hair.
What's that?
More hair to mwamulina kusomera. More hair byebyoya. You don't see more hair. Then also, I think she uses cream well. Yeah, she's really not bleached.
Let's go with about that time playing for your 933 KFM. Better information on the best music. We have Cuckoo. And we're getting into one of the hottest conversation that's this is a hot conversation that's been trending since the weekend. So
Sheila Gashumba's naked videos leak. One of herself, she was on like a sink recording herself.
Hey.
Then the other, they were in the bathroom.
Yeah.
Naked just at a There's one where there is a phone. Someone was recording using a phone.
Those are the people who leaked.
Those are the ones who leaked.
Yeah.
Because she said she was like, you should use an email as your recovery or password or something, not just your SIM card.
No, when you change your password. So this is what she meant. You know when you have forgotten to say your password, that the app asks to send a recovery password or code, a verification code. And that verification code is sent to your number.
So they sent it to her. And that they didn't
steal the phone. Brian says there was a swap rather. Like someone gets your phone, najamu SIM card you. That's why as soon as you, like, the reason why people tell you, or telecom providers tell you that as soon as your phone is stolen or lost, make sure that you block the numbers because the thief just has to take out your line, put it in another phone, and keep trying to access you.
Oh, so that's what Sheila meant when she said like the recovery should not be the phone number.
Everyone says that Musimai, the guy swapped her cards, and then that's how we accessed her Snapchat because her Snapchat was hacked. That's what she's saying.
So she keeps that content in Snapchat.
I think on Snap.
Not in Ghana.
Well, but one thing we have to all admit, it was worth the view.
Wow, cool.
Yeah.
Kasuku, that's called objectification.
Objectification.
What's that?
You're objectifying her. You're looking at as a commodity, as a property.
As if a sex.
Okay, so like when you see, okay, so let me ask, so Faiza, when I see you naked, I'm not supposed to like comment like what I saw I liked. I be objectifying you.
Yes, ideally you're sexualized.
Moto joge demolozongo bana mwe. Moto joge demolozongo. Moto joge demolozongo. Moto joge demolozongo. So I can't see that I liked what I saw.
Yeah, you're sexualizing.
Do you remember when Fifa Maker was being sued by feminists for his own property?
My woman is my property. Well, I was also of the belief like people were idle at the time.
He was objectifying women.
Why? Well, so when can I say that I liked what I saw? Or I can never say it.
I think a little bit of it has to be if it's consensual, like she's okay with it.
Yeah, if she's okay. Do you think Sheila is okay with commenting on her videos?
Me?
Yeah.
Oh well. Last time we were trying to go Katala and Kando. She tapped me. She's like, I like your videos. Sheila, she's like, I like your videos on YouTube. Nice job you're doing. I was like, okay. Oh my God, you go like, okay. So I think
you don't overshow.
Yeah, you don't overshow it. Like, so I think she will be okay with it. But even if she's not okay, we saw what we saw.
Yeah.
We can't unsee it. but the good thing is, in my own opinion, I don't know, you call it but it was worth the view.
Okay.
People's nudes have leaked here, and you're like, oh my God, what are this?
Yeah.
You get it?
Yeah.
But
that's objectification.
I withdraw my
what do you
to avoid objectification.
How do you feel? What do you think about the dad? Like, what must he be going through right now?
And that is what everybody,
because that's the conversation.
But why are you feeling sorry for the dad? Sheila is a grown woman.
You see, the thing is,
the challenge is this. Tata we yamuyira wonyo mubiri. Publicly. Bran, your mom could love you so much, but she has not thrown it in everybody's face. You see, even just in a family, mama unga akwagala nyo batata no kola blanda katinga no funo olubuto. The shame. Everybody is not thinking about you getting pregnant. Everybody is thinking about this your mom who loved you, who had all those high hopes in you. You get it? But I think by now, Frank is used to these things. You know, there is no. There is a time in life where you have to accept with the things that have happened. I'm sure he's there and he expects anything.
It's sad.
Yes.
It's sad, but he must allow.
The girl because the girl is now her own adult.
Yes.
So there's nothing really he can do about it. Enough for you know
what Mr. Gashumba can do, only thing he can do is pray for his daughter.
Yeah.
The rest, it's out of his hands.
It's like Faiza, someone was telling me now, like, Kasuku, if like your son came and told you he's gay, if he's 18 years, but even if he's not 18, now he's gay, what am I going to do about it?
You can't do anything.
Here we are. It has dawned on us. What are you going to do about it? You understand those things?
Yeah, I hear you.
So the only thing I can just say is let the Lord take its course on him. Otherwise, so now the videos were captured in private. They leaked.
Someone leaked.
So
them.
What do you expect?
You can't even blame Sheila. You can't blame Sheila. Someone malice.
The only challenge I have is with people who are sending those videos to the dad, who are trying to provoke the dad. I mean, you know, you may not like the man.
Yeah.
But you need to feel for him, especially when it comes
be sensitive about it.
Yeah, man, you know, it's not easy seeing your daughter naked at such an age. Same as your son or Chtegera. So it becomes a little bit tricky. But apart from the dad, I think it was
objectified.
Wow, Kuku sign us out.
It's what? Objectification.
Yes.
Objectification. So we can just discuss like on a one-on-one and say, we just from their side, eh?
Just sign out.
So we got to go, guys. The month ended already. People are being paid.
Hey.
When you get that money, find that hot chick you've always wanted, invest that money in her, and get things. So until next Monday, I say, man, peace, y'all. Nayenga change okugamba objectification ingeze wali. It was something.
Bananga abantu bayiga okwerabirira.
Yeah?
Abantu bayiga okwerabirira. Kubanga omwana
Chekiri kye wali ogamba
musajja mufumbo. So temuntandikako. Naye abakyala muyiga okwerabirira. Akaana akato kabalaze. Faiza mwerabirire. Olina omulaba ng'akasuku bwaga enuzzi zifulumye naye nga jina
namugamba banne
kama tuli ku kinawataka. What's happening here? Maram everywhere.
namugamba kiki.
Oh God.
So that is like what's up, and we really want to wish you guys a good day. I will be waiting for your comments about those videos, so that.
Why don't you host Sheila?
But is she in the country? I saw she's in the States. I mean, she's
in London.
She's in London. Yeah. So I think when she comes back, I'll host her. Sheila is. She's my friend. We are always on and off. We are always on and off. But I'll host her for you people here, so that you can see. Other than that, guys, I really want to. It's raining. It's raining. It's raining pork and cabbage. Guys, do you know this lady? Come and say hi to these people.
What?
Do you know this lady? She's called Aggie. Yeah. There's something I'll tell you eventually, but you need to make sure every Monday you're in this video. So I'll say hi to new people.
Hi, people.
She's called Aggie. She's Aggie Wase. Uwase. You're Rwandese? Yeah? You can sense rain. Bina baby tushali kubana batoto jja kutuukako. Linda mukatini. So, banenga tetunavaawo Eddie Sandy ajja. Eddie Sandy is coming to America. Asimbula leero ku Monday. Wabula buli muwagizi wa Kasuku wa Jenkins. But tosinike ebinyo by'omukale bana Sandy kulabye bana ekisaati nandiguliddeyo Kasuku ekisaati. Mumwe enkalu. $100, $200, $100, n'olukumi tulutwala gwe totobona abo nagula bisaati. Ate waliyo omunaku ayogerera mu $10, $200, $5, Sendi ajja mu conversion kasita omugwako Luyombya Sendi mumpereyo $200 azindeetere. Kati Luyombya Ruth yisa message Luyombya agifune.
Wycliffe Luyombya njogera nga baabawo.
Luyombya twamumisinze mu ceasefire.
I know. Weereza ssente totuweereza bintu kanange negasi.
Tetwagala bintu twagala ssente.
Yogamba my sister I love you so much weereza enkalu ne Kasuku muweereza enkalu.
Butereevu.
Kitegedde. Fe tuli wano fe tuligera kusomera okulaba abaana bo. N'omukyala fe tumutwala mu salon.
Pozi gwe.
Nze senga wawe.
Mwe pozi oli senga w'abaana.
So luyombya uweereza.
Kola omulimu ogwo.
Jennifer Kabanda. Teeka mu bbaasa. Ruth Wanyana baba wange.
Mu bbaasa totawala na Sandy Wave.
Wanyana baba wange yanteka ne mu theater. Mzee yanta because of her. So weereza teri Sandy Wave Ruth Wanyana teeka mu bbaasa. Ani omulala awo.
Simanyi bakulu banno bwe bali eyo. Bannaye muweereze ssente twagala kimu ssente Sandy asimbula leero ani Pavini yagenda ono mukyala yali azanyanga Pavini
waliyo Pavini teeka mu bbaasa
twagala kimu ssente Kasuku tukwagala nyuma naye Kasuku I love you sente twagala sente Sandy ajja sente naye akaana wakalabye kaswiti shi
ampere sinakalaba sinokofuna wa ampere ndabe okansindikidde
until next time mubere bulungi mwena
gonza mu nsindika ya ssente eri abaagalwa abo mu nnyaffe Uganda ng'okwisa enkola ya tap sendi enkola eno nnungi ate nga yeesigika kati genda mu simu yo odawunloadinge app ya tap send TAP olwono nawe weeyunge ku mpeereza ennungi mu kusindikira abaagalwa abo kozesa promo code
Kasuku
nga toyawuddeemu abali mu UK ojja kufuna pound 10 Europe ojja kufuna euros 10 USA ojja kufuna dollars 10
Canada
ojja kufuna dollars 10 ate nga kino kisinzira mu nsi mw'obaoli kati gwe abadde atawaanyizibwa mu kusindika ensimbi eri abaagalwa abo okumanya ebisingako okufuna app ya tap send ebifudde byangu nga tukusindikira abaagalwa baffe ensimbi mu bwangu ddala